Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm gonna share a viral Capcut coloring tutorial. Here's the before and after of the coloring. So let's start without any further waste of time. First of all, open your Google or Pinterest, whatever you have. Go to the search bar and search black and white gradient overlay. Then scroll down and find a circular gradient like this. Now open your Capcut. Add a new project and select the photo you want to edit. Now first of all, remove the ending. You can ignore this part, I'm just adjusting the ratio of the pic. Now click on Overlay and add the gradient we downloaded in the start of the video. Zoom it to fit into the frame. Now click on Blending and select Slide. Then scroll the list and go to the Adjust. Set the brightness 15. Contrast -20. Shadow 15. Hue 50. Sharpen 15. That's it. We're done. You can save the video to your storage and take its screenshot. Hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more useful content. Thank y'all.